Hey guys, so it's about time that I do an oil change on the GTI. It's coming up really close before Christmas time, so I will be doing a road trip up to Alabama. I need to get everything sorted out and changed and refreshed before I go. I have not changed oil in this car yet since buying it. Something I really needed to do and get to. So of course, I'm going to use some of the best products on the market for this car. We're going to go with some Liqui Moly 5W40 Moly Gen, which is a tungsten-based oil from memory. Doesn't require any other additives, and it does come out green, which does have a UV light or black light ability, so you can check for any leaks, which is great. So I love this stuff. I've used it in a lot of my previous cars, especially in high mileage cars. 5W40 is a lot better in my opinion. If it was a newer car, 020 or 530 would probably be recommended. But yeah, for this sort of high mileage stuff, tuned vehicles, 540 is totally fine and will help keep oil temps down. And as the engines wear out and the tolerances get a little bit wider, this 540 oil is much better. So we're going to go with some 540 oil. We're also going to use a MAN oil filter. These are fantastic. I've used these for many customers' cars and my own cars throughout my time. And we're also going to be installing a brand new genuine oil filter housing, as this one's looking, well, has seen better days. Also, thanks to ECS Tuning, I've got a Schwaben fluid extractor. I do prefer actually dropping the oil out from the pan, from the bottom. However, this is a very quick, very simple and easy process, pretty mess-free as well. So yeah, we'll be going down that route today, and then we'll be totally doing it again once I install my leaking oil pan. But because I'm tight on time, I do need to change this oil and just sort of get everything clean and clear before I take a 10-hour drive north. I am also going to be switching out my wife's A3 wheels today with some Pretorias, which I put on her A3. These arguably look much better, but yeah, these got Pilot Sport 4S's, and want to rather put these on the GTI and give her back her original wheels for the meantime until I get some tires sorted out on those VMRs. So we'll be doing that today also, and just a quick checkup, fluid top up, and just safety check before we go and do that big trip in about a week's time. Yeah, other than that, we're gonna get cracking and get started on this pretty quick. Now, there are like hundreds of videos online about how to change oil on your MK7 GTI. It's all about the same process. There's no real special tricks. Doing it with the fluid extractor, I'm basically just going to be sucking out the oil, changing the oil filter with some tools. That's about it. It's not too hard. It is a DIY job, but if you're not confident with it, I would recommend taking it to a specialist workshop or the dealership if you're not confident with it. But otherwise, follow along. I may speed this process up and you can just watch what I'm doing. So oil change is all done, and now we're going to change over these wheels. And there we go. Took me a little bit longer than expected. That's what happens when you work on the ground. But the car arguably looks much better now on these Pretoria wheels. So very happy with this look and outcome. And now time to go put some gas in it, fill it up, and add one more thing to the service. Let's go for a drive right now.